Well, the meeting is going to be starting at 9 a.m. in Lansing, and it's going to be deciding the future of this proposal. It's one of the most heated debates right now in Michigan, reproductive rights. Darcy McConnell from Reproduction Freedom for All says their group is hopeful that the 750,000 plus signatures they collected will help secure Michigan's abortion rights.
Restore the protections that were lost when Roe v. Wade was overturned by the U.S. Supreme Court, but also to avoid reverting to a 1931 law.
That 91-year-old law from 1931 would make most abortions a felony, with no exceptions for rape or incest. But if the ballot initiative passes and becomes part of the state's constitution, Attorney Todd Flood says it would replace all other existing abortion laws on the books.
Both sides say that this is ultimately going to make it so children don't have to get parental consent. On the other side, the ambiguity of it is they want to make sure that there's no discrimination.
Flood added that while parental consent would be battled out in the courts, other issues like fetal viability and late-term abortion would have to be determined by a medical professional. Kristen Paulo from Support Women and Children says voters should be concerned about the proposed amendment.
This abortion amendment would repeal health and safety standards that protect women, that it would allow non-doctors to perform abortions.
Attorney Kate Mayotte says the language in the proposed bill aims to prevent those involved in assisting with abortion from being prosecuted.
If someone other than a qualified healthcare professional were to perform an abortion, they'd be guilty of practicing medicine without a valid license, which is already a felony in Michigan.
Now, let's say that there is a deadlock vote today. That would mean that the initiative would officially be rejected and a final decision would have to come down from Michigan's highest court. Reporting in Detroit, I'm Peter Maxwell, 7 Action News.
All right, we'll see what happens. Thank you, Peter, for that live update.